here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is YUXIANG's new F11-N AH64 Apache. Comes with everything that you need in the box to get it flying, less the 4 AA's that you need to put in the included radio transmitter. This is 1/32 scale and has the yellow desert scheme already applied to it. Lots of scale detail on this, lots of rivet detail and other features. Really easy to fly. It supports 3D and 6G modes, and it's super stable when flying because of the optical flow sensor that it has underneath. You can order it with 1, 2 or 3 flight batteries. Let's not hang around, let's get it flying outside and see what it's like. So I hope you enjoyed that flight action. This is available from the links in the video description and the pinned comment. Make sure you have a look at the discount code that I've put on that as well for a great price. Thanks for watching. See you next time.